Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Sharon Roshan, your teacher from Trinity International School. Today we'll be learning E words, double E words. So double E words कौन से words हैं? Bee, feet, seed, hill, feed, chip, peel, see. डबल ई वर्ड्स कौन से बी फिट सीड हिल फीड जीप peel and seal. So read the sentences loud, circle the double E words. Read the sentences loud, circle the double E words. My feet are wet. देखो ये feet जो है double E words है. Meera put and seed in the mud. Put the seed in the mud. So this is double E word. I can see a bee on the bird. Bee. Did you put the pill in the bin? Pill. I feed my pet well. The seed of a mango is big. Sam has a red toy jeep. Now we'll learn about double O words. Now we'll learn about double O words. Long sound of O. O का जो साउंड है ना वो काफ़ी देर तक होता है, जैसे कि बूट्स. देखो हम ऊ करके कैसे काफ़ी लॉन्ग खींचते हैं कि नहीं ये वर्ड को. बूट्स, मून, पूल, रूम. ऊ जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन हम जब कर रहे हैं उसको हम कितना लॉन्ग खींच रहे हैं, राइट. शॉर्ट साउंड ओ है बुक. ये जो थे लॉन्ग साउंड ओ थे, अभी शॉर्ट साउंड फटाक से ख़त्म होने वाले. बुक, कुक, हुक, फुट, वुड, वुल. Right? So read the sentences loud, circle the O double O words. I go to pool to swim. We see the moon in the sky. This is my room. Ship gives us wool. My daddy got me a red book. Can you cook food for me? I kick a ball with my foot. Now circle the words that rhyme with hook. अभी वो सारे वर्ड्स को हमें सर्कल करना है जो राइमिंग हुक के साथ होता है, जैसे कि हुक, कुक, हुक, हुक, बुक. Match the pictures to the words. Book, hook, moon, wool, pool, and room. Next, complete the words with E, double E or double O. Complete the words with double E or double O. So this is moon. Then this is B double E, B. Next is P double O, pool. Next is F H double E heel, H double O K hook, S double E D seed, B double O K book, P double E L peel, W double O L wool, J double E P jeep, R double O M room, F double O D food.